Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my sacred process of creating these divine press-on nails. It took me 3 days of intentional work, pouring love and energy into each step to bring this stunning set to life. Join me as we explore the art of self-care and connect with our divine feminine energy. Creating these divine press-on nails, it's more than just a hobby. It's a ritual, a way to connect with my feminine energy and tap into the power of self-care. Putting on a pair of beautiful press-on nails is like slipping into a stunning dress. It's a transformative experience that can instantly boost your confidence and elevate your mood. It's about more than just looking good, it's about feeling good. As I meticulously craft each nail, I infuse them with love, intention, and divine feminine energy. I believe that these little works of art can have a profound impact on our well-being. They're not just accessories, they're tools for self-expression and empowerment. Each design is a reflection of my inner world, a manifestation of my thoughts and feelings. I pour my heart and soul into every detail, from the color palette to the intricate patterns. When you wear these nails, you're not just wearing a product, you're wearing a piece of my soul. I've always been fascinated by the power of beauty to uplift and inspire. A well-manicured nail can make you feel more confident, more attractive, and more capable. It's a small thing, but it can have a big impact. By taking the time to care for ourselves, we're not just pampering ourselves, we're honoring our divine feminine energy. We're nurturing our souls and creating a space for creativity and self-expression. By choosing to adorn your nails with these divine creations, you're embracing your divine feminine energy. You're honoring your body, your mind, and your spirit. You're reclaiming your power and stepping into your authentic self. These nails are more than just a fashion statement. They're a symbol of your strength, your beauty, and your limitless potential. The process of creating and wearing these press-on nails is a journey of self-discovery. It's a chance to explore your style, to experiment with different looks, and to express your individuality. It's a way to connect with your inner beauty and to celebrate your unique identity. As you gaze upon your beautifully adorned nails, you'll be reminded of your worth, your power, and your divine feminine essence. Remember, you are a masterpiece, and these nails are a reflection of your inner beauty. So the next time you put on a pair of press-on nails, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and power of this simple act of self-care. Let it be a reminder to love yourself, to embrace your femininity, and to shine your light on the world. Remember, you are divine, you are worthy, and you are beautiful. So the next time you put on a pair of press-on nails, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and power of this simple act of self-care. Let it be a reminder to love yourself, to embrace your femininity, and to shine your light on the world.